If you're looking to track employee onboarding in Monday.com, you're in the right place. Monday.com is a versatile platform, but can it truly streamline your onboarding process? Let's break it down quickly so you can see if it fits your needs. First off, Monday.com is great for visualizing workflows. When you start tracking onboarding, you can create a board dedicated to the process. The key here is customization. You can tailor it with status columns, timelines, and due dates to ensure each employee's onboarding is on track. But here's the thing, for some, it might feel like overcomplicating things when a simpler solution could do the job. Next thing to note, automations are a huge plus in Monday.com. For example, you can set up automations to notify team members when tasks are completed or when certain milestones are reached. This can save a lot of time, but setting up automations can get a little tedious, especially if you're new to the platform. It's not a one-click solution and could take a bit of a learning curve. The third thing, integrations. Monday.com integrates well with other tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom, which can be a major advantage during onboarding. You can easily attach files, schedule meetings, and track progress across various platforms. However, the downside is that these integrations often require higher tier plans, which can get pricey. Now, the fourth thing, dashboards. You can build custom dashboards to monitor the progress of multiple employees at once. This is useful if you're handling multiple onboarding processes at once. But it does take time to set up these dashboards, and if you're a small team, the extra complexity might not be worth it. Monday.com is built for teams that are scaling and managing lots of moving parts, which isn't always the case for smaller businesses. Next, reporting. Monday.com does offer reports, but they're a bit basic. If you want in-depth analytics on the onboarding process, you'll find yourself limited. Some competitors offer more detailed reports out of the box, which can be crucial for tracking employee engagement or pinpointing bottlenecks in your process. And finally, while Monday.com offers a free plan, it's very limited. To unlock the features mentioned, like automations, integrations, and advanced reporting, you'll need to upgrade. This could lead to unnecessary costs if you're a small business just looking to track onboarding in a straightforward way. But here's the deal, while Monday.com works for some, I've found better alternatives for employee onboarding that come with a more flexible free trial and have features that could help streamline the process even further. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best deal, exclusive benefits, and access to a great free trial for these alternatives. Make sure you check out the link for a free trial that can help you achieve smoother employee onboarding, and trust me, these alternatives might just be the perfect fit for your business.